Hello, YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video here. If you've been kind of following along in the news, so to speak, the FCC officially opened its doors to make comments on deregulation / change. So now is a good time to submit why GMRS should be allowed to link. Now, before I get into this video, I want to mention I don't want my comment section down below filled with debate on why it shouldn't be allowed. If you don't believe in that it should be allowed, well then obviously you don't need to watch this video. But if you believe it should be allowed, watch this video and I'm going to show you how to submit your comment to the FCC. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that and all the other information that you need along with that. Now, I'm going to post all these links in the description below. So if you need to do this, you'll have it down below. Now, this right here kind of talks about it. I'll post the link down below. It's called Delete, Delete, Delete is actually the name of it, what the FCC is calling it. So I'll post that. Now, the PDF file from the FCC, again, I'll post that link down below. If you go all the way to the bottom, it tells you how to file the comments electronically. Or if you want to file it, the paper version, you can also read that here in the PDF file and do it that way. So once you go to this link, which is going to be this one right here, you're going to go all the way to the top and you're going to select Submit a Filing. Okay? Now, this is very important that you enter in the right number. And the number you got to enter in is 25-133. Now, if you notice, when I do that, it kind of pops up down below here. We need to select that. It'll pop up, read, delete, delete, delete. We need to select that. That's the document number that we need to select. Obviously, the name would be your name here. The red asterisks are required fields. No, there's no law firm. We skip all this. Put your email address in here if you want the confirmation number emailed to you. The type of filing. Now, my video does not pick this up for some reason. There's a little tab here, little arrow down. You're going to select that and go all the way to the top and select comment. Okay? The filing number, report number, and all this, I don't believe there's no numbers there. If I'm wrong, please post it in the comments down below if I'm wrong. Now, the address, again, you're going to go to the little arrow here. My video won't pick this up. You're going to select filer. And then you're going to put your address, your state, and all that. Now, here is where you're going to need to type up separately either a PDF file, a document file, or a text file. Now, this is where, where you can really explain why you believe GMRS should be allowed to link. Because within your little document file, you can do a diagram, you can do a pictures, you can do words. Now, unless if you do a text file, then you're not able to do that. But if you do a PDF, a doc file, you can go ahead and submit that. And I believe I think this is a PowerPoint, PPT, I believe it's a PowerPoint, if I remember correctly. But nevertheless, you got to write up your document separately. Once you get it written up, you do what it says here. Click and drop files here. So you drag your file and you drop it here. Then, do you want a confirmation of this filing? That's the email address that you entered up above here. And then you can select yes. And then you check this box, and then you go continue to preview screen. Now, when you get all this done, you'll see here there is a preview screen and confirmation. I believe you'll get a confirmation number, and then you can actually check your file status up here. So that's what you do here to submit this electronically. Now, if you want to do it paper way, like I said before, you got to go to the PDF file and read on all the steps to do that. Now, the way I showed you is the link they talk about here. So that's how you do it. So, but make sure you do this number correctly, the 25-133. It should pop up. Let me do that one more time. When you do that, it should pop up in delete, and you select that. So make sure you do that. So it's really simple. Write up your document file ahead of time so you have it ready to go to submit it along with this. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have yourself a good day.